Rins is trying everything to get the Suzuki into contention. Rins is going to have another look. Surely not around. He's got the drive. He's done it. Unbelievable.
Vinales, though, closes right up, coming through Luffield. Is it just a little bit too late? It could well be.
Dovizioso has done it, and he has opened up a 9-point lead in the World Championship. And it's Maverick Vinales has taken the lead into Abbey. His premier class maiden victory. Maverick Vinales wins here at Silverstone. Salute the master. Salute the doctor. Salute Valentino Rossi.
For the Italian, the 112th win.
Marc Marquez continues to rewrite the history books. Marc Marquez makes it 11 wins out of 12. Classic victory here at Silverstone.
Meanwhile, at the front, Marquez dives for the inside line. Is there any way round for Lorenzo, who has the inside?
Jorge Lorenzo wins an incredible battle here at Silverstone.